In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a CD cover using Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first step is to open up Canva and sign into your account, or you can go ahead and create a free account. From here, want to make sure on the home tab where it says search millions of templates, go ahead and search for CD cover or album cover. So I want to search for album cover and then hit enter. Then we'll be taken to Canva's search results with all different type of templates for your CD cover. These are paid and free versions. So the paid ones are going to have a little logo that says Canva Pro to use this premium template. So if you want to go, if you find a template you really want to use, you might need to upgrade to Canva Pro. But if you don't, there's plenty of free templates here to use. So if we scroll down, we can check out all the different templates here. Now, say if I like this one here, I'm going to go ahead and click onto it and then click on customize this template. So you basically want to choose the one that matches your music style. This can be minimal, retro, grunge, or modern. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and customize your design. So we can change the background, the photo graphics, text, effects, and all that stuff. So if we want to go ahead and change the text, we can. So we can go ahead and click onto that. And then we can change the font to something different if we like. We can even change the color for it. So we can make this red. We can delete things, add things to it. If we want to change the actual album picture, we can by deleting it. Now I want to go ahead and upload my own photo. So to do this, click on uploads, click on upload files, choose that file. So in my downloads here, I want to use this as the title. So I want to put that in like so, make this larger. And then we can also layer this center back so your other things can stand out like so. So yeah, this is fully customizable. Once you're happy with your layout, you can go in and click on the share button, share it to your friends and family, or download it to your computer.